The XBD extension identifies a CnCNet game data package containing multiplayer game data for Command & Conquer online gaming through CnCNet. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these online gaming data files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade XBD file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. XBD files are game data packages for CnCNet, the free online multiplayer platform for classic Command & Conquer games. They contain game configuration, data map packages, and multiplayer session information for enabling online play of legacy CNC titles. CnCNet XBD files use a package format storing game-specific data for online multiplayer functionality, including map definitions, player configuration templates, lobby settings, and network session parameters for Command & Conquer multiplayer gaming. In most cases, XBD files work best with CnCNet created by the CnCNet team. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows cannot unwrap asset bundles or level data, so specialized tools must be used. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the XBD file and hit Open With. Use CnCNet if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. When your XBD file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, installing for online play. Download the CnCNet client from cncnet.org for your specific Command & Conquer title. XBD data files are automatically managed by the CnCNet launcher. Place any additional XBD packages in the CnCNet game data directory for extended content. Next, troubleshooting connection issues. If online play fails, verify XBD game data files are intact in the CnCNet installation directory. Re-download the CnCNet client to refresh all data packages. Check firewall settings to ensure CnCNet's network traffic is not blocked for multiplayer connectivity. Finally, managing game data. CnCNet automatically updates XBD data files through the launcher. Custom map packages may be distributed as XBD files by the community. Place community XBD files in the appropriate CnCNet data directory and restart the client for content recognition. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.